Okay, I'm gonna burp. It's mine.
She found love in California. She found love in
That sucked.
California. She found love out west.